can you extol the virtues of eating ice cream with a fork, and do you still do that for efficiency?
100%.
My life's been a lie! So, a fork or a spoon? What will give you the most significant advantage when trying to gorge on that pleasant ice cream? And today we're going to be testing which one of these methods will work best when trying to get our ice cream the fastest straight out of the freezer. How I will be testing whether or not one utensil works better than the other is by trying out the different utensils with different kinds of ice cream, exactly 1 minute after removing them from the freezer, to ensure that both the spoon and the fork will have an equal chance at receiving the title of Best Ice Cream Scoop. Now, I'm also assuming that every single person isn't going to be eating the same kind or flavor of ice cream. So I'll be trying out the most popular kinds of ice cream that are a little similarly flavored. Now, if you're upset with the flavors being all around vanilla, just remember that you're the one who decided to click on the video, and I just think vanilla is objectively better than chocolate. Now, all I need to do is get me some ice cream. Alright, these are the different kinds of ice creams we're going to be trying. Straight up original ice cream, gelato, some rock solid acai sorbet, and the wild card, chocolate ice cream with some goodies in it. Okay, on to the first one. But before I do that, I have to tell you how this even remotely relates to science. First, we have to understand the idea of surface tension, the property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of its molecules. A great example of this is someone emerging from the pool from its innermost depths. As someone is coming up, you'll notice a film around said person until it finally breaks. Now, as you're getting up from the pool, the surface tension doesn't immediately break, but it takes a certain amount of force to do so. Now, let's change direction and look at a spoon. You've probably seen a spoon before, a multi-purpose tool for both frozen and liquid items, but the dictionary says otherwise. Spoon, an object consisting of a round, hollow part and a handle used for mixing, serving, and eating food. Now, this all sounds pretty normal, but there's one critical term: round. Now let's take a look at the fork's definition. Fork, a small, usually metal implement consisting of 2, 3, or 4 long, thin prongs at the end of a handle, used for lifting food to the mouth or turning it in cooking. Notice which one of these items seems like it would break surface tension better. I'll leave that up to you to decide. Now to start the real testing that you can try out for yourself. Start the clock. Alright, time's up, time to dig in. First, with the spoon. That's actually really clean with the spoon. I'm very surprised. Seven out of 10. Now for the fork. Delicious. Timer's up. Now time to eat the gelato. It's weird because the Haagen-Dazs is secretly creamier than the gelato is. It's good ice cream though. Now time for the spoon. Delicious. 8 out of 10. Alright, timer's done. Now time to try the arguably hardest ice cream to get into. First, with the spoon. It tastes like acai. 5 out of 10. Now time to go at it with the fork. This hurts my teeth. También. 6 out of 10. Alright, timer's up. Time to try the wild card. Whoa. First, going at it with the spoon. Ooh. Next, with the fork. I will say that was significantly easier. Or you could just use no utensil. Delicioso. Okay, so these are the things to take away. Now, as when I was scooping the ice cream with the spoon, it certainly did scoop out better. But I'd used significantly less effort to scoop it out with the fork, thanks to its many prongs able to break the surface tension of the ice cream significantly easier. And the second thing to take away is that ice cream tastes very good. Now, as you may or may not have noticed, I'm trying to use science to change social norms. So now it's your job to go out in the wild and start eating ice cream with a fork. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.